Hello. The project is in touch with you, Guru.Markets. Let's start with general information about the company. If necessary, it is possible to pause the video. You can study every parameter of the organization under study in detail. Now we will look at the current indicators of the organization. Celcuity Incorporated, ticker CELC. This review was created using information as of August 1st, 2025. By classification, Guru.Markets company Celcuity Inc. belongs to the subcategory Cancer Analysis. 12 companies are taking part in the comparison. We will review the decisions made at the end of this video. The overall result for the company is as follows: minus 8.5 out of 10 points. The average score for the subcategory is minus 2.6 points. If you look at it from a very broad perspective, within the framework of the entire market as a whole, we can see that the average result for the entire stock market as a whole is 1.8 points. Against a minus rating, 8.5 points for the company Celcuity Incorporated. Comparing the movement of a company's stock price Celcuity Inc. and subcategory shares, we can see that over 12 months the shares Celcuity Incorporated showed a change of 118.2%. 34.6% are against price changes in the subcategory. Market capitalization of the company Celcuity Incorporated amounts to $1.52 billion, with a subcategory capitalization of $11 billion. The company's book value is estimated at $0.08 billion. The subcategory's book capitalization is $5 billion. By comparing the shares of market and balance sheet capitalization, we can see the following. Share Celcuity Incorporated in the subcategory when assessing stock market capitalization is 14.291%. Book value capitalization is 1.698%. Assessment of the organization's share of market and balance sheet capitalization of the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The company under analysis has debt obligations of $0.095 billion. Financial liabilities to book capitalization amount to 114% of the company's capital. Assessment of the company's financial liabilities, bad, minus 1 point. The company's market price to profit ratio is 0. Average in subcategory 0. Evaluation of the company's market value to its profit indicators in comparison with organizations in the subcategory, very bad, minus 2 points. Profit for the last 12 months was minus $127 million. Forward earnings for the next 12 months are unknown. Assessment of the indicator of projected future profit in comparison with the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The ratio of the company's value to revenue is 0. The average in the subcategory is 3.9. Evaluation of the market price to revenue ratio in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. Revenue for the last 12 months was $0 million. Future revenue for the next 12 months is unknown. Evaluation of the indicators of projected future sales in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, bad, minus 1 point. The marginality is 0%, with the average in the subcategory being minus 95%. Profitability assessment in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, TALET, minus 0.5 points. The company's share by number of employees in the subcategory is 1.024%, which is 1,296% less than the market capitalization share. The amount of capital per employee of the organization is equal to $17,500 and $17,000, and in the subcategory $1,255,000. Assessment of the amount of market capital per employee compared to the indicators in the subcategory, passable, 0 points. The amount of profit per employee is minus $1,460.9 thousand. Average for the subcategory, minus negative $309.2 thousand. Evaluation of profit per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators of companies in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The company's revenue per employee is $0,000. In the subcategory $325,000. Evaluation of revenue per employee of the company in comparison with the indicators in the subcategory, Talent, minus 0.5 points. The volume of short transactions corresponds to 7.6%, with an average for the subcategory of 9%. Technical indicator RSI 14 shows a 92% level for the company Celcuity Inc. Whereas in the subcategory the RSI level, 14, is approximately 41%. The company's current stock price is approximately $39.16. The consensus price target for the company's shares is approximately $60.85. Let's look at the order table, which is available to everyone. Link in the pinned comment. The order table contains absolutely all publicly accepted decisions this season by the information and reference system of Evaluation Guru Markets. Access to the order table is free and open. Link in the pinned comment. As a result of the assessment Celcuity Incorporated information system for stock evaluation Guru Markets, a decision has been made. Open a trade on the decline at $39.17 per share. The deal is open because the company has a fairly poor valuation and price trend. The company's assessment is made using the assessment criteria, the Akeem's Index. Take profit is set at 25.78. Stop loss is set at 52.56. In case the order is not closed by take profit or stop loss, then the order closes automatically at the end of trading on August 31st, 2025, or on the last working day before this date. Ticker BYRN will become the main buy order. The video on the main order has already been published on this channel. When one of the orders is closed, the main or balancing one, another order is fixed at the final price. Thank you all for watching this video and for using the help system, Guru Markets.